I'm back at the gym. We did back and legs, and I was winded every time I did an exercise. And what was strange is my mouth is super dry, like worse than when I dry fasted. Like now that I've been drinking water, my mouth is just really dry. But I did pretty good. I started at 7:30 and went till 9, and did some extra legs, did some monkey bars, and now I'm going to do the total body enhancement, which is the red light therapy. But I definitely needed more sleep. I went to bed last night at 11 and woke up with my alarm, which I just set in case I'd sleep in, and I was at 7:15, and I was completely clumsy running into things all morning. So I just need to pay attention to my electrolytes. I started to get a little bit of hand cramps last night and a little bit of foot cramps, so I just have to pay attention to my electrolytes. But if it continues, I'll just take some potassium. So this is day 5. I'll talk to you a little later. So it's the end of day 5. I felt great this morning when I went to the gym. I felt good and had a lot of energy. I made it to the office and I was able to get a lot of work done. And it wasn't until I was driving home about 3 o'clock, I just started to feel kind of worn out. And when I arrived home, me and my wife laid together and just kind of talked about our day. And it was nice. And then I asked her if she was hungry. She said yes. So I made her a burger and some steamed broccoli. And, it didn't affect me at all. I enjoy cooking, which is strange. But when I had a tough time was when she left the house to go run errands, and I was kind of by myself. I just didn't have any energy, so I kind of watched TV, which I don't like doing normally, but it was Netflix, so there wasn't a lot of commercials, but I did really pick up on every time someone was eating, and it's like our whole day is just eating. So I'm a little just feel like I'm missing something, obviously. But I did get up and go do my laundry. I washed my clothes, dried them, folded them, put them away. I emptied the dishwasher and put that away. And it's just these little things that make you feel like accomplishments. I tried to stretch a little bit on the couch, and I felt like I was getting some foot cramps. So I just kind of laid off a little bit. But I'm still just drinking water. I just have to remember to keep drinking water, and I'm kind of massaging my intestines, just trying to get them to move, see if if I'm able to have a bowel movement or something. But I feel good. I just really tired, just kind of like you don't have energy. So I kind of hoping tomorrow when I wake up I'll feel good, and day 6 will be even better. All right, thanks.